Drake's Kitchen, watch us! Alright, we're back. This is the honey butter rolls. We're still gonna lay those out, but I thought we'd start on the jelly. It takes about 20 minutes to do this stuff. What's up, guys? We're doing the strawberries for the strawberry jelly. Pretty efficient way is just rip them off, throw them in. Rip them off, throw them in. We're gonna get about 4 cups of berries for this jelly. It's mashed, 4 cups mashed. So 4 cups solid berries, it's probably gonna come out to about 8 cups solid berries. The mash is gonna be about in half. But yeah, we'll zoom forward. All right, guys, we're back again. Zoom forward just a bit. You can crush it with your hands, or if you're a clean freak, you can use one of these things. I don't like using these, I just like using my hands. Like an avocado masher, basically. Oh, we just juiced. All right, so yeah, this is basically it. You're just gonna squish it up. You don't want to squish it like it's almost like blended. You don't want to do that. It's good to have chunks. Everyone likes chunks in the jelly. This is homemade jelly, remember that. Man, I got junk everywhere. Get a big bowl. This is a small one. All right, we'll show you some more stuff later. So, we got our strawberries. This is about 4.5 cups of berries. We're gonna use 8 cups of sugar. Yeah, guys, wow, that's a lot. We'll say that's 1.5 cups. Yeah, I don't measure really well, even when I use cups. So that's 2.5. We'll say that's about 4 because that was another half. We'll say that's about 5. Oh man, guys, and that's a lot. Let's go ahead and like scoop some of this out. And yeah, that was a lot of sugar, guys. We're gonna, oh dude, this is fun. This is fun. To be honest with you guys, this is like my 3rd time making sugar. Or not sugar, I've never made sugar in my life. But anyways, yeah, we'll go ahead and scoop as much as we can out of that, and all the rest looks like it already touched my jelly. So we are gonna experiment in this one. We're gonna have really sugary jelly. We'll see how it goes, guys. We like to do a lot of experiments in here. So this is like, we'll say it's 18 cups of sugar, so we'll see how it turns out. If it is, I'm gonna modify the recipe at the bottom of this. But anyways, stir it around. I'm gonna cook about medium to low heat, just so it boils down and it's gonna get thick. It's kind of runny right now, but it'll thicken up. We like sweet jelly, guys. We'll come back. We reducing away. Look at that jelly. It already lost like 4 inches on there. This is after about 5 minutes, so you can kind of see how the thickness is way different. It's almost like a, geez, this is pretty thick, man. If you guys had a fork and were stirring it with me, almost feels like warm peanut butter. I don't know what that feels like, but you guys should try it. After that last clip where we had the jars or in the pot with all the jelly, now we got the jelly in jars, and this is still warm and it's still is getting kind of gelatinous, but yeah, let that refrigerate overnight, and in the morning you got some good jam. Thanks for watching, guys. Rick's Kitchen.